It's December the 11th, very sort of wet, soggy, quite cold, deep and dark December. Anyway, I'm just down the plot. We've got an hour or two before the next lot of rain comes in, so I'm just going to pick some winter lettuce. Yeah, okay, so we're in the 8x10 greenhouse. If you notice there, that's the first plants that I've been harvesting from. See the difference between the two. So all I'll do is this nailing pad. Just tend to some milk bag. Get them from the outside, really. So kind of that one there. That's the most outer one. But if you see, it's gone a bit manky, so that'll go in the compost bin. And then the next one to it. That's a nice leaf. So just do that, go around until it's like that, and then just move on to the others. And then obviously what that does is encourage them to throw out more leaves, and then hopefully we'll be able to keep picking them through the winter. Right, so I'll get on and get them. There we go, so that's just a nice little bag of leaves, keep us going a few days. Like I said, those will go on the compost. And you can see where I've been picking there. So obviously next time we want some, we'll move on to these plants, and then hopefully by the time we've picked right up to there, we can start back over this side and just keep going like that, really. That's a Lolo Rosso, that one. Thought I'd see how long that lasts inside. I think the ones outside are about knackered now. So yeah, you can just see where I've been emptying the shed, putting a few bits and pieces in here till I'm ready to do whatever I'm doing with them. Some old herb pots, some old strawberries. I'm just drying them out till I can knock all the compost off and get rid of them, start again. Just overwintering a couple of chrysanthemums and some carnations down there. This is parsley. Actually, I want to take a couple of sprigs of that for tea tonight, so I'll get some of that as well. Right, now go and we'll have a quick look at the overwintering beetroot. Yeah, so what I do is I store them under this is my composting unit thing, and obviously the rain, it keeps them dry under here. So they're in here. You can just see some of the leaves coming through. I'll have to put the camera down while I fetch it out. That's better. There we are. That's a nice one. Got another one similar. Some small ones. Not sure about that one. The ones that want right, they're ruddy bottom. Come out! Yeah, that's a nice one. So a couple of beetroots. The spring cabbages are starting to split. Couldn't keep on top of them. We've used quite a lot, as you can see. There's from what was a full bed, given quite a few away. That looks a decent one there. Still, that one's usable. That one's alright. They might keep us going for another 2-3 weeks yet. Let's take that one now. And I'm going to try and lift another parsnip or two. If you see me short video, the crap parsnip reveal, well, I can tell you a week or two later than that I lifted some pretty good ones, but I forgot to take a picture of them. So let's see I can't film it because I haven't got a tripod, but anyway, I'll say I've got a fork here, I'll get one or two out and we'll have a look. Yes, well, they're kind of weird looking things, aren't they? Like something out of Alien or something. But should be able to salvage the main bit, and that's quite a good piece there. And I was like, yeah. Anyway, we'll take them, and you know, see, there's still plenty left. So hopefully, as we go on through the winter, there'll be some better ones. Okay, so there we go. Cabbage, beetroot, bag of leaves, some nice leeks, and some pretty dodgy looking parsnips. Anyway, so I'm just going to go now and pick all the dead leaves and things up, and they can go on the compost, and then it's over to the micro orchard. There's my veg bagged up. I got some with me and the wife had a couple of days away. Might be the last trip we get due to what's going on with this Omicron thing. Anyway, I bought some washers, so these are the last 4 screws. So I'll go over to the micro orchard and put those in the shed now. Yeah, when we were coming back on the train, there was a few people not wearing masks and coughing and spluttering, which, you know, quite annoyed us really. And also when we were in several big department stores, there was, I mean, it's bonkers really, there was a security guard stood there without a mask on, even though by that time it was mandatory to wear a mask in a shop, you know. And quite a lot of people, I have to say, not exclusively younger ones, but mostly younger ones, were not the ones who weren't wearing them, were younger people weren't wearing masks, and there was no attempt made to ask them to put a mask on or challenge them in any way. So I don't know. Let me know what you think about that. Anyway, it's a bit of a challenging discussion, isn't it? A bit of a debate really. Right guys, anyway, I'm just going to spin you around. As I say, I'm off to the micro orchard now, so I'll catch up with you next time. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.